Thank you for asking us here. And nice, I was almost full there. I was going to say thanks to my previous colleagues, but it will be the colleagues after me. We work very closely together, 200 meters from each other in Lund. So, who are we? We are Sensative. We are about 25 people, from young to old. I am the one over there, Peter. I want to talk about how we want to make IoT happen in the big picture, connect things to people. You see the title of the presentation further down. So, cities, buildings, houses, homes, and people. How do we see to that the data from all the IT devices reach the relevant people, even though the devices use different technologies and have different communication methods and different protocols? For us, we answer that with YGGIO. This is a... Okay, sorry. It all started 2015 with the... It's called SABO. It's a Swedish association for public housing. They had a problem with all these silo solutions for various technical solutions in the buildings. It could be heating, it could be entrance automation or whatever, or refrigerators or whatever in the future. And they also saw that something is happening and it will explode in the volume. And silos is not the solution to that. Everything those days, very recently, were vertical solutions. They could not be combined, and you had a lot of lock-in effects, quite inefficient for expansion. The proposal from us to SABO 2015 was a platform that has open APIs, defined data models, where you can flexibly define who should get access to what information. It could be private, it could be shared, or it could be open data. And also by that opening up for competition on the service market. And this is what we got. We work with real-time IoT data, multiple users, multiple services, and we take care of the access control in a safe way. We define the data models, increase that as we go along, as the need is presented. We take care of storage, and we handle the scenario building and management. So it's quite simple, in a sense. Devices is not only devices, it's systems as well. We connect to small Z-Wave devices, for instance, through a gateway, or we connect to ventilation systems, or the whatever it could be. It could be, for instance, the solar panels. We have a translation layer here, which is still not open, but I hope it will become open soon, so that anyone can add handlers to whatever device or whatever system. This is the core of YGGIO, where we take care of access rights and security parts and data storage and so on. And above we have on the declared API services, any service. You can make services as you like. And what we provide as well is a number of core services. We come from the, not all of us, but quite a few of us come from the mobile industry, from Sony Ericsson, Sony Mobile, and we've designed this pretty similar to what the Android system looks like. We want to be the thing in the middle, where you have devices like microphone, camera, and so on, and you put on the apps on top. So if you think an Android phone, it's very similar to our solution. Yes. So how do we manage? Oh, I see. Time. I think this can only be managed by teaming up with others. Not one, not two, but many others in various parts of the IoT arena. End users, tools, we're working with one taking care of some security tools, device manufacturers. You can see up there some home and smart buildings companies we work with. We work with home care, with medical, not so much of the medical part as much as the care. We work with the universities, and we just last week got accepted to the Stockholm application for IoT Sweden, where YGGIO was selected as the IoT platform up here, and will be implemented at RISE laboratory here in Kista as well. So I think that's about it. If anyone wants to work with this, just go along. Anders, you talked about Noodle. I'm very curious to hear more about it. You have talked to our VD, or CEO. We will look more into that, to have Noodle as a simple way to connect the platform to devices and services. Okay, thank you very much.